There is nothing better than a book to inspire the imagination, and what better place to begin your adventure than in your local library. There is plenty of information for every interest, and the friendly staff are more than happy to guide you should you require. If you need a connection to the web for your research, as well as informative DVDs and audio tapes, then this is the place for you. A perfect place to start your journey, but to discover more, you may have to travel a little. Folklore plays a very important role in Wales's appeal, encouraging the adventurer in us to explore and visit some of the locations that we have heard so much about. Here in Bedd Gelart, which is very popular with the visitors, apparently lies the grave of Llywelyn Fawr's dog Gelert, who was killed in error, having in reality saved the life of his son. He was a hero. You may remember these fantastic views from the opening titles of Sean Connery and Richard Gere's First Night, tales of the past proving popular yet again through the big screen. Harlech is another beautiful location and a vital part of the Mabinogi. When visiting, how about discovering more about the history of Bendigeidfran and Branwen and the powerful powers of the magic cauldron? The stories come alive once again, with spectacular views adding to the voyage of exploration into the secrets of the past.